This is for Tom. Just yesterday morning they let me know you were gone. Certain the plans they made put an end to you. Woke up this morning and I wrote down this song. Couldn't remember who to send it to. Well, I've seen fire and I've seen rain, seen sunny days like I thought would never end, seen lonely times when I could not find a friend. But I always thought I'd see you again. Won't you look down upon me, Jesus? You gotta help me make a stand. You just gotta see me through another day. My body's aching and my time is at hand. I can't make it any other way, no. Well, I've seen fire and I've seen rain, seen sunny days like I thought would never end, seen lonely times when I could not find a friend. But I always thought I'd see you again. I've been walking my mind through an easy time, back turned towards the sun. Lord knows when the cold wind blows, it'll turn your head around. There's hours of time on the telephone line to talk about things to come. Sweet dreams and flying machines and pieces on the ground. Well, I've seen fire and I've seen rain, some sunny days like I thought would never end, some lonely times when I could not find a friend. But I always thought I'd see you again. Fire and rain. Shall we finish off with a bit of Beatles then?